Hey, I've had a couple people ask me like, "Hey, transformations don't make any sense." So I'm going to specifically show you a different method that might help. Um, we're going to use so every time you want to identify what the parent function is. So in this chapter one, the parent function um, looks like this. It goes 0, 0, that's the vertex, and then 1, 1, that's the next point, and then 2, 4. That's the other point. And then it's technically 3, 9 because I had some extra space. But this is the vertex. This is the starting point. Um, so let's talk about those same AHK things that are happening. So for instance, if I have, let's say I have y equals x minus 4 squared, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4 to every x. So then my graph would be 4, 0, 5, 1, and 3, 4, and not 3. What's happening? Add 4. I didn't add 4. That would be 6. Guys, I can do math, I promise. Let me actually just white that out because it's going to bother me. 6, 4, and then 8, 3, 4, 7, 9. It's just 1, 2, you're just adding 1 each time. So what that looks like is what my graph's going to look like. It's going to be over 4 and 0, and then 5 to 1, 6 to 4, technically over here too. And then what I do is, what's new as of today is that there's this invisible line here. That means that everything's also on this side. I don't know how far away that is. There we go. So that makes this U shape that's been moved over 4 from the original. Okay. So I just want to clarify that this one's opposite. So I don't subtract 4, I add 4 to every x. Or if it's a negative, I don't know why I put parentheses here. I don't want parentheses here. A negative, I don't know, x squared. I would make hold on, I have to actually think about this. Make every y negative. So my points then would be 0, 0. Flip over the x-axis. Yeah, 1, -1, 2, -4. I'm winging this one, you guys. I don't have any notes next to me. I'm just figuring it out for myself. And so what that'll look like is that it'll be 0, 0, 1, -1, 2, -4, 3, -9. And then again, it's flipped over on this side too. So that's how I get this shape. If it was inside, like if it was like -x squared, then we make every x negative. So it'll be xy, it'll be 0, 0, -1, 1, -2, 4, -3, 9. Which, to be honest with you, doesn't change much about the graph. Like, it would still be the same graph, but technically this side used to be over here and this side was over here before. It doesn't really make sense without the rest of it happening. If it was x squared plus 7, we're going to add 7 to every y. So it's going to be 0, 7, 1, 8, 2, 11, 3, 16. Which what that's going to do is it's going to mean that the graph's like up here instead. Same thing with subtract. I would subtract 7. This is literally the only one that's opposite right now. And then how do we stretch it? Well, if it was like 2x squared, we would multiply the y's by 2, or whatever this number is. If it's a half, we multiply by a half. If it's a third, we multiply by a third. If it's 7, we multiply by 7. So then we get xy, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 8, 3, 18. And what that does is it's so 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 8, 3, 18. It's going to stretch it out. It gets super skinny. It's the diet for parabolas. So this is a different way to do it. It's thinking about the math that we do when we do these things. And I just want to clarify that you can do these multiple ways. What I want to caution is that it depends on what, like, the order matters on how you do this. So you first, oh my gosh, that was really loud. You're first gonna do the multiplication or the flipping, both, like you do both of these at the same time. You can actually multiply all these by -2. So if it was like y equals -1/2 x squared, you'd multiply the y's by -1/2. That's a different way to do it. There's my floor. Do you see it? It's like down there. And so it'd be x, y, oh no, 0, negative, oh sorry, 0, 0. Let me just start that whole thing again because that was just all around gross. 0, 0, 1, -1/2, 2, -2, 3, -4.5, which are gross numbers, but they're totally doable. It just makes it shorter and fatter. So it'd be like this, kind of shorter and fatter. That was a really bad drawing. Don't judge me. So you do all of those first. You multiply it first, and then you add, just like PEMDAS, right? Multiplication comes before addition. And so then you would do adding second. So first you multiply, then you add, or subtract, or whatever. And then I want to just reiterate that this is opposite. Does this help you? I don't know. If you're confused about the stuff that I'm doing that's kind of free form and visual, this might help you like actually put some numbers to it, right? Like it might actually help. So if it doesn't help, please email me again. I got some more stuff for you. I'll figure it out. You got this. I hope that helps. Okay, bye.